Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Irish Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for the famous Swedish meatballs, but a healthier version. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching.
So hi guys, let's preheat our oven to 200 degrees centigrade fan, and we'll add our minced beef and our pork to a bowl. Then we add some diced onions and we give that a good mix. Then we add our wholemeal breadcrumbs, cumin, some allspice, some nutmeg, and a whole egg. And we give that a really good mix. Obviously don't forget to season it. Once everything is mixed, we divide our meat mixture into meatballs. Make them probably all even sized, so that when they're cooking, they cook evenly. And we take them over to our pan. So spray a large frying pan with some cooking spray and place it over a medium heat. Fry the meatballs for 4 to 5 minutes on each side to seal in the juices. Once they're nice and crispy on each side, just take them out and pop them into a dish that will go into the oven. So we place our meatballs in our preheated oven for about 10 to 12 minutes and just until they're fully cooked. Now, using the same pan while the meatballs are cooking, we add some stock, some Dijon mustard, and some soy sauce. Some reduced fat cream cheese, and stir until it's all combined. Then we add some parsley, and now the sauce is simmering, we pop our meatballs back in. We pop a lid on and we simmer for another 10 minutes. If after 10 minutes your sauce is a bit thick, you can add a splash of water just to thin it down a bit, and then baste our meatballs. Now let's serve our Swedish meatballs. I like to serve mine with a parsnip mash, but you can serve yours with rice, or you can serve it with ordinary mashed potatoes if you wish. We put our meatballs then onto our plate. Cover them with some of the sauce. And then serve it with some sliced cucumber covered with dill. This is a traditional serving for it. And then some cranberry sauce. And there we have our Swedish meatballs, but a healthier version. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, like, subscribe and share, and thanks for watching.